Welcome friends, in today's lecture we will see how to reverse the string in Python by using the recursive functions. It's very simple. Let's say input is a one string, that is name is Mahesh. Okay, Mahesh is there and our desired task is objective is to reverse this, means M, capital M will be at the last positions and small h will be at the first position, and like this it will reverse the entire string. Okay, so how to perform this task by using the recursive function we will explain. Now first I will create one functions or methods, that is reverse string. Let's say it is a reverse string. You may give any name there, not mandatory to use this. Okay, so I am passing one string str, okay, as an input parameter there. Then if I will check the length, if length of that string is equal to 0, if the length of that string is equal to 0, it means it will returns that string as it is, because it is an empty string. Okay, so it is a empty string. Done. Now what is the just read this sentence carefully. If the function first check if the length of the string is 0, since it's not, it moves to the else block. Okay, so it moves to the else block. Now next I'm taking here else, what it will return, it will return this reverse string. We will write reverse string and it is a recursive function. Start, how to write the recursive function? First it will take that input str and it will start from 1 to that last portion. So what is the meaning of it? 1 means, let's say Mahesh, m is started at 0 position, a is at index 1, h is 2, e is 3, and like this. Okay, plus I am writing a plus that str what 0. So what is the meaning of this? So it's very simple. Let's say when you call the reverse string Mahesh, let's say I pass the reverse string Mahesh, then what it does, it take the first m, okay, first position m, which is string 0 is there. Okay, at first index, that is 0. Then m will be appended to the last, at the end of that string. Okay, that m will be pop up to the last positions. Now what is remaining? A. Then again a is returned, a is again appended to the last position, let's say. Okay, so this process continues until the string becomes empty and then it starts unwinding. That's it. As it unwinds, it concatenates the character in the reverse order, means then h will be, then s, then e, then h, then a, and again m. So it will print like this. So I am writing the logic. Let's say result is equal to reverse string and I am passing the letter Mahesh. Okay, I am passing the letter Mahesh. Now print the reversed string is okay. So what is, whatever be the result we are passing, so just save this and click. So this is our desired answer. Let's say I am changing the letter Sagar. Okay, I am changing the letter Sagar. So what will be the result? It will print like this, rags will be at position, means it is a recursive functions we are using. First it will check the length. If it is empty, then if block will be executed. Now the length is not empty, so else block will be executed, and it takes care of the recursive function. The function which calls itself is nothing but a recursive function. So what is the happening? That is, first it will check the first index 0, that is capital M, Mahesh, M will be there, it will be appended to the last point. So this process continues until the that string becomes empty, and again it concatenates from like this. Okay, so this is overall simple and interesting. This question repeatedly asked in your job interview. that is reverse the string by using the recursive functions. Okay, so that is the creation. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.